Recently, in a similar tragic accident, a few days before, we lost 15 of our young citizens, members of a church singing band.
Ebusanfo aha Ghana Nsem TV GH mesre wona wa like no comment na wa subscribe so Ebusanfo ana ye mampeni no sesero den na ekoso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. What is the issue? Now I'm asking this because I've observed some quite sad trends with our president ever since Obeye Omampeni Biom this year for this new term. There is this pension I say oh yeah I did be our purpose to leave a good impression, but the harder he tries, the badder it becomes. You see, one thing me the meaning is but I did back one name no politics when say sometimes you can get it wrong, and sometimes too can be an oversight. We all know say as Omampeni we scared us also, right? And because we scared us no doors at every point in time, there are some things you would forget, or it would be an oversight, or some things no delegate say okay maybe me chief of staff would nipa say but you call Mekaya ebra na Savior Church in Kolano enya sa akwenhia yaya no nkola be baku 15 ewuye no Omampeni John Mahama Wambekashi uko ni Facebook page, official page, nothing. Uko ni X account, nothing. Instagram, nothing. All over ni social media yina unhushi. Uko Jubilee House presidency omu Facebook account, nothing was there whatsoever. And now a name crash Wednesday crash something worse was going to happen. Okay, and after the Wednesday incident, we were told say Omampeni was shattered. I am very sad. Now I am downhearted. And yeka say I am very downhearted. And I can probably say some say now wait a minute the same John Mahama nkolabe 15 ewuye no ewo kwa akwenhia mu no wan bekasa wan kahwe we de nipa 8 ewu de some we party fonti who say why shattered to the extent say you have even cancelled your appointment and engagement for the week, declare 3 days mourning and ask for flags to fly at a half mast. And see, as a feedback, it has gotten to him. Now, if the feedback has gotten to you, the honorable thing for you to do any day, say Abia, you come and apologize, say, we the move I should have acknowledged the accident and the passing of those children and all those things. During the memorial, I'm organizing for the 8th fallen compatriots. Omampeni eka say onu assembly see of an phone phone and even called the bishop of the church. Omampeni asema oka the debi. Uye papa penny. Uye papa penny. Because sometimes it's sad that young person like me, I'll come and sit for the camera and say I'm the one. I know, but sometimes I'm not being insulting our intelligence in this manner. No, as for the intelligence, you don't insult our intelligence. You didn't act. It is social media that got you to act. So for this solemn event, and you may now stand this as a share with speech mu. We are mourning. We are mourning. This is not the time to try to clear your name. Mistaking the way own and the only thing left to do the honorable thing, you own your mistake and make sure that the next time does not happen. not to come and use this platform where we are all mourning the departure of all these gallant men that could contribute a lot to the development of this country. Not this to try to clear your name. Your reputation is already swelled. Maybe with time you will redeem yourself, but as it stands now, one penny, I just wish you the best. Frankly speaking, wish you the best.
Who had gone to perform at a youth program of their church. Similarly, on that occasion, I expressed my condolences to the bereaved family and placed a personal call to Eeeii Mahama, who is the head of the Savior Church in Ghana, to whom these young people belonged. It is at times like this, however, that the true spirit of us as Ghanaians reveal itself. We showcase the profound compassion that we have, our inherent decency, our indomitable resilience, and our deep-seated unity that have come to define our nation, Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, we come together tonight not solely as a nation divided by regions, ethnic groups, or political parties, but as a nation of brothers and sisters, held together by the fundamental understanding that we are indeed each other's keepers. Each one of us stands at the center of a vast network of people that extends beyond any single region or ethnic group. That was precisely the case with our 8 brothers we have just lost. Combined, I'm certain that the communities that they touch span the entire width and breadth of this nation, creating an interconnected tapestry of human relations. We're truly one seamless, unified family, and therefore we must not only mourn as one, but commit to healing as one. Their ultimate sacrifice, though painful beyond measure, serves as a... We gather tonight under a cloud of shared grief, our hearts heavy with the profound sorrow that has gripped our nation. The news of the helicopter crash at Adansiakro, which tragically claimed the lives of 8 of our beloved citizens, all of whom were proudly serving our great nation, has shattered us to the core. Our nation is indeed in deep mourning. In my official capacity as President of the Republic of Ghana, I wish to extend the sincerest condolences of our nation to the bereaved families, the spouses and children who have lost pillars in their lives, the parents, the siblings, grappling with the unimaginable pain